Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new project. This is Lady Vagabond Lifestyle. It is a design project for Scrap and Create and you can get all your supplies there. It is a mini album. There's a cutting guide down below. It's a free cutting guide. You just go ahead and get it. And let's go ahead and get started. I had to work with one 12 by 12, one 12 by 12 backgrounds, two 8 by 8s, the collectibles, the die cuts, and a rice paper. So let me show you what we have here. Also, it's closed with a chain and charm closure. And when you place an order with Scrap and Crate, you'll get a little bag with the charms. So this is from the backgrounds, this beautiful paper with the books. And then it transitions to rice paper, which also has books. And that wraps all the way around the spine. And then on the back, it transitions back to regular paper. So that's that. And then we've got a couple of the die cuts. This is from the collectibles, and this is from the 8 by 8. And there's a couple of scraps. So this book is 8.5 by 6.5 on the covers with a 2 1/4 inch spine. And the pages are 8 inches tall by 6 inches wide. So here we have on the inside front cover, it's plain. Well, I mean, it's not plain, but it doesn't have any element. Between the pages, you will see these stripes. They're all different, and these are from the collectibles. There was a page that had these, and I loved them. And here we have a full-size flap that opens, and we have a vellum pocket inside with an insert. And all of these side pocket inserts are fully matted, front and back. If you wanted to save on paper, save a little money, you could definitely not fully mat those. And on the insides of flaps and pocket linings, you could use something plain and save some money there as well if you wanted to. And then here we have just a large pocket with a photo mat. Here we have a belly band that is decorated with one of the cut-aparts, and it has inside of it a booklet. And here we have another photo mat. And here, I'm going to take these out so you can see. These are pockets, and these are flaps, and they were cut to match in size. So these again flap up, and this is from the collectibles. And then on this side we have the pockets with a photo mat, and these are just cut aparts from the collection. And there is the side pocket insert in that one. And here we have an envelope, and it has a cut apart on the front, and it goes like that. Here we have another full-size flap that opens like this, but then it also opens like this, so you have a lot of room there for pictures, whatever you want. And there is the last side pocket insert. And here on the back, here's another one of the cut aparts. It opens up, another one of the cut aparts. And this one's a tuck spot. I don't have anything in it, but it's a tuck spot. And then we have that. And then on the inside back cover, we have this envelope. It's a pocket with a photo mat, again with the books. And then here's one of those stripes. You can see them throughout. I really like the way they look. So that is that. And again, there will be a free cutting guide down below, and then a whole series of videos showing you how to make this album. And if this is your style, I have two other of the Vagabond albums. I have this one, and they're all the same size. This is Sir and Lady Vagabond combined. You can just check my playlists and you'll find the tutorials for this one. And then I also have a tutorial series for this one, which is Sir Vagabond in Japan. So that is that, and I guess that's it. So again, visit Scrap and Create to get your supplies, and we will get started in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.